Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. President Harding's friends that were placed in government positions were known as the blank. President's pals, Ohio gang, spoils system, political machine. True or false? President Harding served only a few short years before passing away from what is believed to have been a heart attack or a stroke. True, false. The biggest scandal of the Harding administration was the A. Whiskey ring scandal, B. Teapot Dome scandal, C. Watergate scandal. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. President Coolidge, nicknamed Blank, tried to separate himself from the scandals of President Harding and his administration. The Great Communicator, Silent Cow, Mr. Trustbuster, Old Rough and Ready. True or false? The government lowered taxes for businesses and individuals during the Coolidge administration. True, false. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. After World War I, most Americans favored a policy of blank in an effort to keep the U.S. out of future world affairs. Isolationism, imperialism, intervention, nativism. The Dawes Plan, A, said that the U.S. would loan money to Germany so they could repay their war loans to England and France. B, said that the U.S. would join the League of Nations if the Soviet Union agreed to as well. C, said that industrialized nations would limit their weapons and military size in an attempt to prevent future wars. What was agreed upon at the Washington Naval Conference? A, that countries would limit the size of their navies. B, that Germany would be forgiven of all war debts from World War I. C, that African Americans could join the same units as white sailors. The Kellogg-Briand Pact stated that countries wanted to A, abandon war as a means to solve conflicts, B, build bigger and stronger navies, C, help poorer nations by providing food and medicine. How did politics change in the 1920s? Choose all that are correct. A, scandals and corruption bothered the Harding administration. B, less taxes led to more economic growth for businesses and individuals. C, America moved toward isolation while trying to prevent future wars.